8th Annual District Convention, Region 3. Region Chairperson Sundari Venkatachalam, Zone Chairperson Zone 1 P.V. Sudarshan, Zone Chairperson Zone 2 Leela Krishna. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Anubandha. Auto partitions were given to deserving auto drivers. Hunger relieving programs were conducted. District rural tree plantation programs were conducted. Diabetes awareness camps were conducted. Funds were given to a cancer patient. COVID-19 daily essentials were given to migrant workers and masks were distributed. Humanitarian, a person was given rupees 10,000 for the reconstruction of a house that was destroyed in a fire. Blood donation camps were conducted. To summarize the work of Lions Club of Bangalore Anubandha, total number of activities 58, total beneficiaries served 1,682, total amount spent 1,23,370, total lion hours 619. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Chintamani. Permanent project Lions Eye Hospital. Blood donation camps. Total number of activities 3 activities. Total beneficiaries saved 301. Total amount spent rupees 25,000. Total lion hours 17. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Kalyan Nagar. Provisions distributed in Kalyan Nagar. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Sanjay Nagar. Tree plantation activities conducted. The club has organized and assisted in 12 cataract surgeries. Donation of a wheelchair. Supported the education and scholarship of children. Blood donation camps. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Adarsha. Health camps conducted for 4 slums. Distribution of ration kits under Relieving the Hunger banner. Blood donation camps done. Total service activities rupees 1,75,000. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Bandhavya Lioness. Umbrellas were distributed to street vendors. Groceries and funds were given to an old age home as well as children's home. Tree plantation activities were conducted. E-waste was collected for safe disposal. Eye operations were conducted for needy people. Rupees 10,000 was donated towards the District Childhood Cancer Fund. Funds were given to needy students. Health camps were conducted. COVID-19, masks and hand sanitizers were donated to the needy people. Bedrolls, bedsheets, blankets and saris were given to the poor. Blood donation camps were conducted. Total number of activities 41. Total beneficiaries served 1,415. Total amount spent 2,52,341. Total lion hours 663. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore RT Nagar. Distribution of umbrellas and auto partitions. Maintenance of the Lions Clock Tower at HMT Ground RT Nagar. Hunger relieving programs were conducted. Tree plantation programs were conducted. Health camps were conducted. A bulletin was created on the awareness of childhood cancer. COVID-19 distribution of hand gloves and face masks for BBMP Paura Karmikas in RT Nagar. Relief funds were given to people affected by the floods. Blood donation camps were conducted. Support to the education of students. Total number of activities 37. Total beneficiaries served 1,133. Total amount spent 1,47,158. Total lion hours 607. Service activities conducted by Lions Club of Bangalore Sundar Nagar. Hunger relief programs were conducted. Tree plantation and tree distribution activities were conducted. Eye camps were conducted. Diabetes camps were conducted. Health camps were conducted. Blood donation camps were conducted. Total number of activities 163. Total beneficiaries served 11,184. Total amount spent 10 lakhs 20,850.